coming into Southwest Florida, visiting the storm-affected areas, this is probably one of the most devastating sights you'll see.
Yeah, this storm was absolutely devastating, and I mean, our hearts go out to everybody on the coast. We came down before the storm hit in preparation so that ultimately wherever this thing made landfall, we had our team scattered around Florida ready to respond. We'd brought loaders down and staged them across multiple facilities. And we brought in our trucks, our people, our flex force auto transport. We brought in our catastrophe trailers, command centers. We brought in supplies, everything that's needed to be completely self-sufficient. And I couldn't be more proud of the team that we have on the ground, from our employees and our drivers and all of our third-party partners. This set some records as far as vehicle pickups in a single day, and this is one of the largest storms that Copart has ever faced.
We learned from every single one of these storms, and we obviously put a lot of preparation into storms prior to storm season with new technology, with investments that we've made in our property, with investments that we've made in our equipment, with investments that we've made in our people.
Copart has gone above and beyond this year to make sure we were prepared for this storm, just from every aspect. We currently have 305 employees on site in the state of Florida through 5 yards, and we could not do this without the help of our volunteers and our permanent CAT team and our regional managers. We have everybody out here, all hands on deck, which in turn helps the people whose claims are being filed get their checks faster. They get to start rebuilding.
We want their claims to be settled as quickly as possible. The devastation is huge. So whatever we can do to participate and assist in getting them over the hump of this insurance process, it really means a lot.
Our sellers, they look and they go, how does Copart do that? How did you process thousands of cars at this catastrophe and do it so well? Well, it's the combined effort of all of the folks that are down here.
The outpouring of support across the country from our volunteers has been astronomical.